Hi, welcome. This is Nate with Superior Eagle, and in this video we're going to go over the 3CX Presence, what it is, and how does it work. And as always, if you find this video informational or helpful in any way, please smash that like and subscribe button. This is a must if you and your company have or will be using 3CX as your communication solution. So without further ado, let's dive in and get a better look. So what is Presence? Presence is a feature that allows your colleagues to easily see your status of availability given you or they keep it updated. 2, it also allows for calls that go to your extension to be handled in different ways depending on the preset function for the set present status. So what you see here is the web client version and the mobile client version. Notice that there is different colors for these little boxes. Those are indicators of the present status for that individual user. Notice that you can also set custom statuses as well. So let's dive in a little deeper and get a better look. Here we are on the Teams dashboard where you can see the overall view of your colleagues and their current present status. These are set by them. On the top left, you will see the person icon with your current present status color indicator. This is where you can set your own status. You can also customize the message that will be displayed. To change the custom status message, click the icon, then click the pencil edit icon. A pop-up will be shown. Enter your custom message and hit OK. To change your present status, click the person icon again, then click which status you would like to set. This change is immediate, as you can see here. If you would like to set your extension to Do Not Disturb, it is best practice to do it from here and not the phone. I will now set it back to available, and available is the default status. Now we will look at the behavior of each status if a call were to go to your extension. I will also cover what options are available. To view and edit, we need to go to the call forwarding section. To do so, click the 3 dots, then click Settings, then Call Forwarding. Here we see the different present statuses: available, away, do not disturb, lunch, and business trip. Each one of these, when set, can have their own behavior when a call goes to your extension. To view, click the desired present status. For now, we will look at available and away. Available, as you can see, the extension will ring for 20 seconds, then go to voicemail. It does this for both external calls, meaning calls from the outside the organization, and internal calls, meaning calls from your colleagues. Usually these are set the same, but keep in mind they can be different. If your phone is busy or unregistered, calls will go directly to voicemail. Again, both internal and external. If you would like to receive multiple calls at once, check the box Accept Multiple Calls. If you want your cell phone to ring simultaneously, choose that box. Keep in mind your mobile phone must be entered in the General Settings tab here. Back to present status. Now we will look at the away status. Here you can see if your status is set to away, by default it will go directly to voicemail without ringing your extension. To make changes and have calls go somewhere else, simply select the drop down, choose the forwarding option you wish. For example, if you wanted the calls to go to a different extension, choose that extension number and then choose the extension. These options are available for all present statuses. Also in the call forwarding section is exceptions and switch status. Exceptions allows you to create a rule that if a certain number calls your extension, you can have that call forwarded to a different destination. Switch status allows you to create a rule that will automatically change your status to available during default office hours or specific custom office hours. Keep in mind anything outside of these hours, your status will be set to Do Not Disturb, which by default goes directly to your voicemail. Thank you for watching. This concludes this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please smash that like button and subscribe. Thank you.